Who would have thought that by simply adding an egg to rice, you could transform it into a dish that resembles a specialty served in a high-end hotel? It's the kind of meal you could sell for 68 yuan, yet making it at home costs only a few dollars. Start by preparing the side ingredients. Cut half a cucumber into thin filaments, then dice into small pieces. Do the same with half a carrot. Slice 2 ham sausages into thin strips, then chop into small bits. Place all of these on a plate. Next, take a handful of lettuce and cut it into small pieces, placing it on another plate. Prepare about 10 shrimp and cut them into small pieces. If you have more shrimp, feel free to use them. They're nutritious, and kids enjoy them. Set those aside as well. In a bowl, crack 2 freshly laid hen eggs and beat them with chopsticks. Then, take leftover rice from the previous day and mix it with 1 egg. Wearing disposable gloves, mix thoroughly until the rice is evenly coated and no longer clumpy. The grains should be loose and separate. Heat oil in a pan until it starts to smoke, then add the egg-coated rice. Stir fry on high heat, pressing and stirring to ensure the rice cooks quickly and evenly. After about 3 to 5 minutes, the rice should be fragrant and nicely separated. Remove from the pan and set aside. Heat more oil in the pan over high heat and pour in the beaten eggs. Stir constantly with chopsticks so the eggs cook quickly and don't clump into large pieces. Add the chopped shrimp and stir fry until they change color. Then toss in all the chopped vegetables and cook for another minute. Once the mixture is fragrant, return the fried rice to the pan and continue stir-frying for 2 minutes over high heat. Season the dish with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon each of oyster sauce, salt, pepper, 5 spice powder, and chicken essence. Stir-fry on low heat to evenly distribute the flavors. If you prefer a richer color, you can add half a spoonful of dark soy sauce to make the dish more visually appealing. To finish, add a final handful of vegetables and stir-fry for another minute. Sprinkle chopped green onion over the top and stir until the aroma is released. And just like that, a delicious shrimp and egg fried rice is ready. The dish is simple, nutritious, and incredibly tasty. Fresh from the pan, my 3 daughters each had 3 bowls, and they asked me to cook it again next time. If you enjoyed this recipe, please save it and try it at home. If it helped you, I'd be grateful if you liked and shared it. Thank you very much.